Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. Today, we're going to do an extension of what we did the last time. We're regrouping, but we're moving it out to thousands place, not just the hundreds place. So if you look at the problem I put up here, we've got 7,001, and we're going to add in the opposite direction 2,538. Wow. So really, what is that? That's 7,000 plus 0 hundredths plus 0 tenths plus 1. And now we've got 2,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 8. We're going to do the same thing we did yesterday in our regrouping, but we're going to do it in a sort of a talking so that the ones place is actually taking hold of this and is the leader. Okay, so remember, the ones place is the one in trouble. He needs to have 8 taken away from him. Okay, because 8's going in the opposite direction from him. So he goes, wait a minute, I can't do that. I'm only 1. I need some help. So he turns to his left and goes, hey, tens place. Yeah. I need some help. Well, you see, got nothing. Okay, hundreds place. Sorry, you got nothing. Oh, thousands place. Yes, what you need down there? Need some help? I'll send you 1,000. Don't need 1,000, only need 10. Gotta send you 1,000. That's the rules. So now what are we going to do? So one's place thinks, I know what I'll do. I'll help out my other buddies who don't seem to have anything. So hey, thousands place, send me that 1,000. But I want you to help me out a little bit. We're going to drop some off because my buddies here in the hundreds place and tens place don't have anything. They need some help too. So let's cut this down to 6,000 because it's going to be sent off 1,000. But now what are we going to do with that 1,000? Well, here in the hundreds place, let's give him 900 of it. Because remember, all I want is 10. All I want is 10. And so that means 90 can go here. And 10 for me, which makes 11. So now I can do the work I need to. I've got 11 and remove 8, and I've got to have 3. And I've got 90, I can remove 30, I've got 60. And here I've got 400. And I've got 4,000. So my final answer is 4,463. But these 9s that you always tell your students to put above the 0 is now really 990. And it follows the pattern that we did in the last video, where we had the 90 here. So your students can understand that having that 0 there is not something, and to change it to a 9 is not just something that comes out of the air. It has to do with the place that it's in. This is the hundreds place, and that's why it's 900. And again, it refers to the tens place and that's why it's 90. So the basic skills and places become valuable in this problem where we're moving back, adding the opposite direction from 7,000 down to something in 2,000s. So I hope this also helps to clarify this idea of regrouping, and enjoy it. You can have a little conversation between these two fellows, the two numbers, and you can do it in a lot of different ways. You can do it with drama. You can do it with people, actually two students in your class, one that just talking to each other. It helps. Try it. Add it to your class. Allow drama to be a part of math. See you next time on Math with Mr. W.